Welcome to AutoRevive. For Land Rover Defenders, after the hot-selling off-roader Discovery 4, the Defender has been the best seller. From its release until now, this model has always been quite popular. Among all imported Land Rover models, I personally think they are all exceptionally good cars. The biggest reason is that among all SUVs, I feel their vehicles are the most solidly built of any brand. From repairing all sorts of Land Rover models in the past, and seeing various collision-damaged vehicles, Land Rover SUVs are definitely the most robust. Okay, let's look directly at the damage on this car. Pretty much needs a whole new set of front parts, a headlight, and one of the most severely damaged fenders ever. The chassis frame wasn't damaged at all, so there's not much structural repair needed. It's just buying parts and installing them. Aside from costing money, there's no major issue. If this car were any other color, or a non-pearl color, I would choose to just replace the panel directly. But with this color, we have to repair it rather than replace it. For all models with pearl paint, especially pearl white, color matching is extremely difficult, especially since we often restore cars. Replacing a part at a junction point like this with a part of another color or a primer part creates a color break. If you paint the whole panel, the color difference at the seams will be very obvious. So for damage extending to the front like this, we will do a localized blend paint job here. We only need to paint this specific section, blending it right along this body line. That way, we can achieve a seamless transition and solve the color matching problem. Therefore, for every car, the repair plan varies greatly. Alright, stay tuned for the repair progress. Enough talking. Let's get straight to work. Remember to subscribe before you go. Thanks for watching AutoRevive.